Dustin Mack here with Pavement Striping Pros. We are currently patching a piece of concrete that was patched before with asphalt. If you guys ever been in a parking lot, a lot of questions we have is how do we properly patch a parking lot? And a lot of things that we see are kind of funny, but one of the things we see most common are asphalt patches. If you ever go in a parking lot, you'll see a black patch or a black square inside of a gray concrete parking lot. And the reason that someone did that is probably to cover themselves on cost. It is a lot, cheaper, less expensive to do that. But talking to a lot of our clients and customers who have properties all over the DFW area, they end up paying for it in the long run by having to maintain, just like this person. They just got that patch probably 18 months ago. The comparison I like to put into it is it's like putting a patch of carpet on a broken hardwood floor. Although sure, it can level it out, but you're using completely different substances, completely different mixtures, which is obviously going to end up with more problems in the future. So if you're gonna have a concrete patchwork or gonna have some work done on your concrete, make sure you guys actually stay with the same product that you already have. So if it's concrete, get concrete. If it's asphalt, get asphalt. I know that seems like common sense, but you see it everywhere all the time. It's not always best to go cheaper and cut corners because you will pay for it in the long run. Let me know if you have any other questions about concrete, asphalt, or striping.